Lecture tang kun awing tum psychorally the talk with Sorintan Harawi ka therapy sotili welcome salushit delay ajay tumna kanala khai kala interesting salakai chan phaya ka sangrum shit ka vaisare ajay hi special salakai guest akarangro mi delay itumna teja Lairik katam hi important salakai kala Lairik kathem katam naw ji itum tong na ka hawe Lairik kathem katam na avang sangsak ngay ye avava pingwi ka how mai tui ja ka hi ki cha wi nong ra lari ka them ki hi ne kala nong ra ping lari ka tam hila them thang mai ngai la ke kala results ma tha khai chi tran ka chi cha kla tala mai kai ring phai ye kala hot na mai ngai a chi hi itum na ka tam na a khawi true ai na itum tha mai da ka tam ka shu pong le chan phai sang rong vai sare a chi wi guess si a chi kum class 12 we board exam li CBSE li result talaga na sampangda tangkhu wi ngai li iwi thei ko khui li wa an tok sa sa la bai an subject ka tong gale star mark khui jine kala awi overall percentage 98.4 ne the best foreigner young gava 99.5 shok tak le ne almost at 100% khui ka hai ka ta khui na nai na wa tang khai ne lari them la ka hai ne awi mangai na itum Lairik hi ka thada tam da lai ka thada tam ka phara ka tam na ko experience acha na quick vaisa se in ari introduce am ke la welcome sa ko da chan pai hi sangmum ba vaisa se ari hi lashio Tukrin washum nali show hi welcome sad le ye no atam ka su atam ka sak chung ka le sala la ramida klewang a hi marem naw ne ari hi daily tam da kle ne a shi avali Dr. Raisang Vashum Hoye, Kachung Kana Taysare, Shavali Rinchu Vashum Hoye, like Temla Kaiva Akasada, Shuti Ungda Klene, Ukrul Hiliang, Jaina, Itum, Avava Ping Wangla Katam now Ping Wangla, Awi Mangaina, Tiana Wangla, Itum, Tasting Quick by Laysara Gajiwi Kajan, Shikasangana at ini, Jan Paisare, Matalagana, and a result Yakam Matada Sampang Dakle, Itum Tanghu now we Wang, my Hakalang Sayang, Jaina, at Jan Pais Sangrum say, Kashokazang Matami the Teva Vaisa say. Tukrin remake up the congratulations nana talakai result sangapangi itum gutong kong wang no wang mam ning ko no shim ko wang mam ning ne marem wang mam ne tang ko tong ko wang mai ka khang sai chen nalila congratulate la sa ka samam jila ning shila mi ngai de le itum mi chung nali ma thai sa lo pai ka thaila le sa re chen ma thang mai da thai pai khawai no brief introduction remake up the ka hang milo
mai I'll be speaking mostly in English.
Okay.
So, hello everyone. My name is Tukrin Vashum. I am 17 years old and will be turning 18 this year. And I am honored to be in this show. I mean, you have said everything that I wanted to say, so I have nothing much left. But the thing that you didn't want me to say before, but subscribe, like, and share the video.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for the kind promotion.
Yeah.
My yaruin pop matang week five Tukrin he daily li pam kau gi the tangkul ti kham ti li tio ka issue lei sala pai ka shabai nang na la tangkul tim ti vai sare kala chan phai hi khamnat lam na dore English la changora awing sot na kai khla yang ngai jo gi da awing sot na ping wang la da na English na tiong mai klam tio re ya chena Tukrin I think that my kang hai lai ka tam hi important sala ke kala result khama tha sang phangai serim thalan tam shukhingai avava ping ka tam now ping itumi ka ka hawa khane then no we high school no higher secondary no na lai ki ka ta da tam do in no we result wak chi ma warang hi tiao mai ka hang mi lo
Okay. Most important tip privali shit kasang. Honestly, it's my parents' influence that I've been, deeply rooted in my faith. Before studying, I always make sure that I pray, that I read my Bible. I think, kain sala kain so may. And the other tip would be to be sincere in what you do and know a reason why you're doing it. Because without a why, I don't think you'll be able to reach the goal that you want to achieve.
Okay, 17 years old lagana measure salakena shares hardly go very interesting arena take nga kana ba 10 and 12 no we like it experience because sometimes some people feel especially students like them boring sai Lairik matam ngai mani, it's very suffocating. For example, it's the pressure is too much. Lairik katam yaru honi gijile. So how was your experience like no high school or no higher secondary school or no? How was it?
Well, I've always had a lot of pressure because I'm the eldest sibling and I'm the eldest daughter, for that matter. And you know, even my maternal or my paternal family, they always have this indirect pressure on me that I need to succeed in what I do,
Okay.
and I need to be, pave the way for the younger generation,
Right.
or that for that matter. So, jiwang ina pressure wa kachungka lipapa mai, teachers way na lipapa mai. Ka, I think I forgot what I had to say.
It's okay.
Okay, we can just cut it out, right?
Yeah, we'll
Okay,
cut
okay,
that.
okay.
Just resume it.
Yeah, what was the question again? I forgot.
Your experience of during the high school and higher secondary, how was studying like?
Okay, yeah.
How was it?
And the thing that I've always tried to do is to convince myself that studying is a privilege and it's not a chore. So many people, they take studying or education for granted. Hence, they start, trying to avoid doing it, or they think that it's just for granted, so we'll just live without it. It's fine. But there are many people who do not have the opportunity to even study or to go to school, even though they have this desire to do so. So I think that I try to make myself believe that, and that quote really resonates with me, that studying is a privilege and it's not a chore.
Right. I really important. Salakai point. Studying is a privilege. I think most of our viewers will also agree to that. Like you said, there are lots of people like the Okay, so we'll come back to your exam, the preparation, the results and all. Jena, 99.5, the best for shoki. It's something that the tangkul now jaka shokai matherange. And then I think this is the first time in the UE take valing with Hakam take to the button Tankul Nawaka that the passage Mushalagrang. So it's a huge achievement. Then we exam prepare sahi. Nakat had a sadoji thing because some people feels that to be a topper, to achieve this this kind of results, you have to do this, you have to do that. Chunga lazy la. Like a guy can you must have the give up sak So is it really about the pung tra da phang lai ka pa chin ka na ka prepare sa do ka da exam prepare sa la especially with the board exams, not the normal school college exam pa ning yang board exam ni ka da prepare sa na ka prepare sa ji. Please share.
People say that the more you study, the longer duration you have, the better you are at studying. That's just a myth for me.
Okay.
Because what I believe is if you study just for a short period of time and just consistently, I think that's even better. Because I'm a person with low-key ADHD kind of person who cannot sustain my attention for long. So what I do is I study maybe 1 hour, 2 hours a day, and that's fine. But whatever I'm learning, I try to make sure that I'm properly focused. It's not like phone signal like that doesn't work. Or some people, songs kapaji. I don't think it works honestly because you should really focus your environment and try to know why you're doing it and start doing it.
Okay,
and I think that's really important.
Focus, concentrate. It's not about the how many hours you study.
Yeah.
Okay. So no we take really talk about no we experience just before you appear the exams. How was it like? Pungkaya ka like pa prepare sa. Were you involved in some other activities as well, or were you only concentrated on or focused on studying for the board exams?
Okay, so a bit of a backstory. Our school has an MUN club, Model United Nations Club, and I was made the Secretary General this year. So we planned that we'll have this inter-school MUN conference. And February preparation and it ended in April. So the board examinations just in the middle. And so ever since February, I have been going to school almost every single day, having meetings till 12 at night. And, it was kind of exhausting, but as soon as the meetings got over, I started studying.
Okay.
Yeah, so even if it was for 2 hours or 3 hours, I just tried to make sure that at least I studied a bit, because then I felt guilty. Because, people have expectations, and if I don't fulfill them, then that's also kind of bad. So, yeah, I do that. And as well as, I don't think I have like solid tips as such, but one thing is time management. I've really learned through this, through taking part in various activities, because I've always believed that you should excel in everything that you can as much as possible when you're in school, and that's a really important tip I would like to give, people who are watching, the viewers, because just studying won't lead you anywhere. Honestly, you need to be good at something or the other, to excel in this competitive world.
Right.
So I try to make sure to engage myself in NGOs or doing internships, and as well as studying, and yeah. And another tip I would give is to read the NCRT very well if you are in CBSE, honestly, because our teachers made sure that we read the NCRT every exam that we had. And I think I've read the NCRT more than 15, 16 times.
Okay.
And I make sure to always make small notes next to the paragraphs so that, I actively recall as well. And I also make sure that I understand the thing that I'm reading.
Okay.
Anyway, she like.
Okay, wonderful. Reminds me of my higher secondary, high school times as well. Great. Tukrin, did you graduate, your high school from Delhi as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so ada take nga kind of Delhi Lairik hi. How is it like, for example, teaching or school activities or the infrastructure? Of course, it when differences ko. So, what do you think could be replicated here as well? Ada katam now akawang important samay to get good quality education. Right, teaching rano or jobbing or school li yang sang. Ada ayar nga lately daily li katam li na yang laga ituma apam li la hitada sang ngay be hitaka itum katam now bing mathamay tam hui pai ko gi bing ji. Kyo may ka share sa amila as per your experience.
Okay. I do not think that it's only the location of the school, but I also feel like it's the actual individual school as well, because individual schools in Ukhrul compared to Delhi might differ in the fact that, for example, not all schools in Delhi might provide quality education. It's just Delhi, for that matter, a capital city. Yet there are many schools that do not really provide, quality education that students actually are supposed to be provided with. One thing that I wish that the schools in Ukhrul or in Manipur they get would be focus on extracurriculars as well, because our school really promotes us to indulge ourselves in extracurriculars so that we are not only academically sound, but also talented at some other thing. For example, I know many individuals in my school who are good at singing, they're good at playing instruments, they can speak various languages, they're good at technology as well, and they're still excelling in their studies.
Okay.
So one thing would be focus on extracurricular activities.
Great, great. So itong apam liba in our place, for example, the students remain in school from 9 till 3, and then most of them don't get time for extracurricular activities. In Delhi, how was it like? How's the school timing? Kada ita manage sado extracurricular activity wa. For example, in Ukhrul, as ngazin wa huyogi da arahim sapai ture. And then in the morning or in the evening, they go for their individual tuitions and all. Jena, how do we manage this? How was the difference?
Okay, the Delhi school timing, mine is 8 to 1:50.
8 to 1:50.
8 to 1:50. So it's still, bright there comparatively. And
so you have extra ample
extra
amount of
time,
time for, okay.
But what some individuals do is, since it starts at 8, they indulge themselves in activities before school starts. Like they go for swimming and they come back home and then they come to school after. Or some they go for, cricket cricket classes or football classes after, after schools ends, because you have ample time here.
Right.
But one way our school is encouraged is we have many activity periods, like 40 minutes per class, where we are told to actually indulge ourselves in activities and flourish in that, and we're graded upon that as well. So it's
So it's all about time management.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually.
Great. Okay, interesting. And I believe so many of those things can be replicated here as well. It can be done, right? Okay, it's good to know. All right, and also, Nui larikatam shongzaili. I believe your parents might have helped a lot. Yeah, Jane, Lairik katam kasha hili ava roles and responsibilities. Kada kima moile. Kada naungra pingli yang sang actually till now na class 10 plus 2 na tam kui gai hili no experience na shawa na kada yang sang mi do kala how important it is for parents to look after their child to in order to acquire quality education. He no experience and kahamila.
Most important thing was sehagasa.
Okay.
Honestly, because if your parents, I feel like if they sincerely pray and they root for you to do well futurely, the children, they actually excel as compared to the ones who, the parents who neglect the children and do not encourage praying as a whole. Ishi family liva, we pray almost because we're always busy in the afternoon, so we only get time in the dinner to have, to pray together and have a meal together.
Okay.
So we believe that if we pray together, we stay together.
Right.
So every dinnerly turns kuilaga isthum seha sae juithili before every exam fasting la sae juithili before going to any exam, it's a must that they have to pray with their hands on our head.
Okay.
Very sincerely, and then sometimes chairs do fall down. But I feel like that's a very encouraging thing to do.
Okay.
And even after the exams, after we come back, they're like straight in a room say asaulo, thank God, and just ask him that he's kind to you and is good to you, right? Yeah, I feel like that's very important. Yeah.
Okay. A family that prays together stays
together.
together. Very important. And then thank you for sharing the story. And I don't doubt your family as well because I know your mom and dad, and then very encouraging. Thank you. Jana ara thaka katam nau ping hinala. In order to get quality education, you have mentioned something very important earlier. It's not about the school, it's not about the place. For example, be it in the New Delhi, but then the school not necessarily give quality education, right? So most of our students ishi tangku nau ping wa high school, higher secondary, itum apam litam jinayang. So hilitam dak ping hili. Apam na maningmana institution chin lamning, but then I feel mi baji katam nao baji achin la important some to by the quiz. So katam nao kasada in order to acquire good quality education. No we experience at shuda key sang sa atong jiwa. It's about preparation for exams as exam ka ari pa hinaba lari katam atam hili key sang sa ngai kisa ka wa phado ji teo share salo jo. As friends, as fellow students, yeah.
Viewers I think, about the fact that I keep on mentioning Rivraj, Seha, Kasa, Yang.
Okay.
But I feel like that's very important. I was not very spiritually, deep, and I wasn't really strong in my spiritual life, I say. Ka, 10th, 11thly, I feel like that was the opening, a new journey for me. It opened my eyes where I learned that if we give our entire life to God, He's gonna make our path straight. He has everything in control. And for example, I never knew I would get 98.4%. I expected like 90%, like just above that. Kim Thamre, ka hotna phlong, and then Lairik lajya khaba pamne ka, seha kasali thukme. And I feel like that's a message that I would want to give to the viewers, because many people, they think that just saying God won't help you, right? Yeah. They think it's not being practical.
God helps those who help themselves.
Yeah. Yeah, but then so being really rooted in your faith, important sala kai.
Okay.
So inala he experienced share sangai me. And one thing I did was, before I started studying for my exam, I made sure to read the Bible.
Okay.
Because I believe that if there are forces that are telling you to not read the Bible, then you should also force yourself to actually read the Bible. Because there are forces equally trying to pull you down and lift you away from God. So I always make sure to read the Bible. With a good verse, I keep have my day set, and I start and I pray and I study. That's it. That's my
great. Okay. No, Karjani, and then you're sharing as per your experience, and then it has helped you. And then there is this opinion that students being hili the workload is too much that ari Lairik that comes out especially from the students that there's too much pressure itum enjoy sa khwai la tam lo malai mane Lairik hi chot na hi chi chung khalei wa. So what do you think is I mean ari Lairik atam face hili katam now being here, do you think they can also enjoy at the same time they can focus on study as well? Well, I mean, no way kapningly as a student, kathada kangai, kathada sangai, kathada chatwangai. Because our parents, sometimes our parents want our children just to focus on studies. Sometimes, yeah, like tamlo, like palo, homework salo, assignment. Sometimes the pressure is, of course, on the students. Other students being hila, they don't want to focus only on studying because atumna nakang the extracurricular activities mag play tran atumna ningjik the dal sa thyo. So this message I want to put it out to the, of course, students as well as to the parents. So no kapaningli, yeah, no we raka tissue the how do we balance this?
Okay, one thing I would want to say is that I'm a person who just can't study. I just can't focus on one thing. So I am a person who likes hanging out a lot, going out, and I have this worm in me that wants to keep on hanging out, going outside and not stay home. So I always make sure that every day I at least go out once, enjoy my life, and thank God for my life, and move on with it.
Okay.
And my my parents have always, told us to, study and study and study and study.
Right.
But I've also told them that I won't be able to do so. And if I just sit down without wanting to study, then there's no use. You're just wasting your time, draining your energy. One important thing that I've learned is putting reminders, time management, and prioritizing your tasks. So there's this app on my phone called Reminders, where I add the things that I have to do in that particular day, and then I add the time that I need to do it by a certain time that I need to complete it.
Okay.
Yeah. So when the alarm comes, I'm like, oh dang, I need to complete it. So I think having reminders really makes you prioritize what's important and what's not, and helps you manage your time. So I think many students should do it. It's very important.
Okay. Thank you. It's very important because most of us are not following that time management ishi community wang saklaka khang sad laye, and then even to the parents just by giving direction, study to the children. I don't think that's the answer. That's the key. Let your children also enjoy, have fun.
It's like how to say, all study and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Great. Thank you. And then you are an example. You don't study 24/7, but still you are able to achieve good grades, and then it has helped you a lot as well. Great. I want to come back to one very important question. Itum tangkul now here. The opinion around is that the older generation are more into studying. Atumbana produce, but then our younger generation like the maning sang ture, we are more focused on entertainment, this and that. But there's one famous saying, no, itum community outside education focus but then itum the maning sang tuaka, it's a downfall for us. How important is education for our community to grow? Individual maning la, itum we society are we giving importance to education, and how important it is for us to have good education for us to collectively grow?
Okay. So what I believe is having education is having a well-rounded, knowledge of all the things that are happening around you, honestly. Because education is not just about academics, but it's also about the things that you learn through experience, through your parents, through the society that you live in. What I believe is that education is not just academics, but it's an all-rounded knowledge of things that are happening around you, like the things that you learn from your parents, from society that you live in. And having good education, I don't think it's really prioritized, in this society that we're living in. I think they just focus on academics and doing well in it. And that's not leading us anywhere, I think. Okay, speaking from my own example, I have two educated parents who really, want us to be educated and flourish in life. And I think, regardless of having educated or uneducated parents, it's always an advantage if you have educated parents or if you have parents who really believe in having education and not believing that just working is more important. Because there are some people, back home, they think that just getting a job and earning is all that matters.
Right.
But education is the thing that is going to lead you, you know, to lead towards success. This success that you have in mind. And yeah, so I think, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm saying. What is wrong with you?
It's okay. It's okay. You want to relax for a bit?
Yeah,
Or?
okay.
Okay.
No, you can just continue, it's fine.
Okay. 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 Chúng ta hàng mere Tukrin. No, we take a quiz and then no, we take a. It's good to know, and then it's very enriching as well. Whatever you have shared is very valuable, and then I want to come to a very important part, which is you have mentioned few the educated parents, right? And it has helped you a lot. And our issue community lila. The relation between parents and their children. There are lots who has a good relationship. Yeah, because the parents may be in village or in a different city or places, and then katam now being he random and the relationship relation he Jana katam kushiri la chung effect side the then you grew up with your parents, and then they have been your role model, and they have looked after you well. And how important is the student, the children, parents relationship in order to acquire quality education? The education you focus on young student in our place, for example, our student being hina avang rally chaka share mak sang and then avang ranala. So what have you learned? Some parents don't even know which school, the name of the school, or what they're learning, which standard they're in. Of course, due to their innocence, ignorance lang sa avava being he la tham tam kula sa ka avava na nangra relation kamathawi importance teo me share sang sa no experience at shura like tam kshali.
I'll just share an honest opinion first.
Yeah.
When individuals decide to come together and build a family, and they decide to have children of their own, I think they should be really serious about, their relationship with the child as well. Might be a bit controversial, but without actually, knowing what you want to do with the child, or how you want to have, what kind of relationship you want to have, and just bringing the child into the world and letting them live, an isolated life, when they're very cold of the parental love. I feel like that's it's controversial, but I think parents should really think why they want kids first, and then have it.
Okay.
Because some people, individuals just neglect their child, and
Right.
what's the purpose of having the child then?
Right.
That's what I believe.
Okay.
Jaina, about the parent and child relationship, and specific focus to education. What I do is, if I learn anything new, then I always make sure I rant it to my parents. So that's active recalling, and that's really important though. And even though they get very tired of listening to me rant like crazy, I try to make sure I'm just telling them whatever is on my mind, regardless of whether they ask or not. But there are times when they ask me if I learned anything new or what's happening in school, and sometimes you just don't want to answer. You just you just take them for granted sometimes and live with it.
Okay.
So I feel like having a good relationship, and the parents and children knowing how the relationship is and what they actually want from it, that's really important. And I think that will really influence the education that a child is going to be provided with.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Tukrin. It's been wholesome moment, and then most of the viewers might not know me chung kam thei salawaye ila daily pom de lega Tangkul Baptist Church daily isne school ja sa sai Tukrin hi yu ka tam na sa ji yang chen hi tha da a ji tha da so pom ra de le sa ji expectations ma le sa mane, but to be able to have a candid interaction with you like this, it's been a pleasure. And I read no end like not just me, but then most of the viewers, I'm sure they have benefited something out of this conversation. And then you have been an inspiration to most of our students, to our community. Then our concluding part I have so many questions to you. Then amay question chung han majirang ka kupsang vai saura jena in the concluding remark I want you to if you have missed out something earlier you can add that, but then special focus to our community itum Lairik katam ka shahili katha da wangsak ngai katha sangsak ngai kala, most importantly to our leaders, if you have any message to them katam ka shali mathamai da yang sang ka pai itum hi Lairik katam yu Lairik kathema yurung sa khwai ki really focus ka concluding remark ning sak ngai.
Okay.
Yeah.
To the leaders or to the parents who are shaping the children's future, I say, really be focused on what your child is doing and actually be interested, because otherwise the child will be neglected and would not like it later on, would really detest you for it. So, having a good relationship with your parents is very important, just telling you. Really learned it along the way, and really believe in God and pray and ask for His guidance throughout.
Okay, great. Thank you, Tukrin, once again. No, hortzak atam cha lagay na hili laga ini thada chan paisa khong mangai na, and then Arwin and share sakai bingji, you may be only 17 years old, but then the share sakai bingji, taiwa lagana mature salai share sami gaiji, it's gonna be very helpful for almost everyone, regardless of their age. And then like ning sam lagay na really thai lagay na avawa kahang na laga sa ching dak lechi, very proud of you. And then I believe and I hope also I will pray that you continue on this journey. Actually 10 plus 2 hili result kam thamau mning la na Lairik tam khawali mga chat mairano athim mairano, and then bring more laurels, more glory to yourself, your family, to every one of us, and also to God. And I believe you will do that. There's one thing in a nali sang lately. Next liva tangkul tui mututers harano, Mariam tui mututers harano, and then we will have an interaction in tangkul tui again. Yeah. And of course, each viewers been a pop time here by your young first time so right next narco, and then wish you the best in your future endeavors, your career. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah. Yeah, recycle dalila ning shi naire Tukrin ni chan phei sa hili awi ka shogazang aw Lairik katam ka shkala Lairik kathem gji kan khana kala avawa Lairik kathem kala naungran avawa relationship kham thak chung ka na ngni lak salala theiwa lakai ni ithum lik chung ka share sa mere aman sakla khai tuik chung ka hang mere ithum tam shukui pa khang sang sak se ithumwi Lairik katam ka shali naungra ping matala kai na kala avawa ping na naungra li yang sang khamya tamli arichan paisa khai li Tukrin na hang khai ping hi ithum na thangji dali implement sak pa ing sad le da hangai yum naungra ping them thang khamaya them thang khoi wang sa se avawa ping la Lairik tam shada kai naungra li matala kai ni yang sang mi se ki tam dale ki sangai le ki them le ji ka thei kanala kai ji hang dale ko nawak sada au experience share sada le kanala dale Lairik pashon gi ji na maningmana ji dale naw ba ji wi sak ngai sa la phad le ka khamatai wa time management itum routine khai la ka hisara ne hisafura hisaki ji ne ji je kala prime focus Lairik kapale community hi important salai in thai le itum community tangkul community Lairik kathema yurung sang sak se Lairik pa khangai yurung sang sak se itum exam passar result mathang sakra markia khuirak ji mangli muning la educate kasa literate kasa pawning la educate kasa ji bai itum focus sa se Lairik kathem yawang sang sa che katam naw ping avawa na chung ka lanting la ka no wi wang chot chang ka naw da klei are ma mang sang sak se avawa li shim khurli itum mai kang sak sei ji kanau sa da hang khangai nei like tam dak len tum psychology best wishes middle ye tum 10th tam later no high school tam no higher secondary tam no graduate masters tam later no best wishes to each and every one of you. May you bring more laurels and honors to our community. Ning shnar ko next episode le sampang se